I think the track record and also the location was perfect for us. We wanted something that was based around North Bangalore and something that is affordable and something from a trustworthy builder.
The process from the beginning up until now has been seamless. All the transactions, all the, getting to see the place, all of that has been pretty seamless and smooth. Frankly, for us, I think we were looking for a place within the city vicinity, close to the city, having amenities close by. But apart from that, I think the whole fact that they are Vastu compliant and the cost effectiveness of this project helped in finalizing this for us.
Yes, I definitely think it was affordable because we've been looking for, say, almost a year or maybe more for a good project, and compared to the prices outside, they were very competitive. I think this is very close to the city, to the center of the city, so we are quite lucky that way, but also far enough that we get some clean and fresh air, and with good approach roads and good connectivity to the city, I think this is the best project in the neighborhood.
I have been living in an apartment which was built by VISALAKSHI housing projects. Basically, what I can tell is these guys have quite a decent taste when they make the layout of the flat and also overall architecture. When you go to the buildings where VISALAKSHI housing projects built, a sufficient space has been left there, which looks good, and also you'll get natural light and ventilation. Since I have the experience, the purchasing experience with VISALAKSHI housing projects, what I felt is it is value for money, and affordability point of view, I can say it's really affordable for a common man. That is a major thing, and also transparency in the purchasing process. Mainly the reliability, and as a existing flat owner, what I can say is we haven't faced any major issues so far.